I don't like peeling oranges. I don't know if anybody else does.
He's going to peel it.
If you quit, you'll see it. If you quit, you've just got to go in there and do it.
No, I don't want the orange.
Did you see it?
No, I don't want the orange.
Don't you want it? You're not having a nut? No. Do you want it? Oscar comes in during the daytime, and this is called squeaking. This is called squeaks all over. He did ask it. But it gets thrown everywhere. Like a baby with a pram, throwing their toys up.
Not that way.
What are you looking for? No.
You made me think. Somebody said to me that they shouldn't have lettuce.
Yeah, they can have lettuce.
Yeah, well, you made me think that maybe, you know, I told you we had fagin, and I think very probably somebody gave the burnt peanuts. Would that have made it ill?